Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. I made this granny motif, which I like to call granny house. So let us recreate that one. So this we are going to begin just like a beginning of a granny square. So you're having a magic circle. I'm going to do chain 3, 1 2 3, then 2 double crochet, then I'm going to make a chain 3, then 3 more double crochet, then another chain 3, 3 more double crochet, make chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Now we can tighten the magic circle. Then I'm going to chain 3 and join to the top of the third chain we made in the beginning. So the first round of granny square is done. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch. I'm going to make a slip stitch to the next corner, then make a chain 3 and then make 2 more double crochet, 1 2, then make chain 1 and move to the next corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, then chain 1, make another corner in here, three double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, then chain 1, move to the next corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 1 2 3, then make 3 more double crochet, then chain 1, we come to the initial corner, we have to make 3 double crochet, chain 3 and join to the top of the third chain. It is 1 2 3 here. Join with a slip stitch. Okay. Now we can move. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slip stitch to the next chain, next stitch, and in the chain 1 space, then each of the 3 double crochets, we're going to move to that corner, now we are going to make 3 single crochet in this corner. Then we are going to make 4 trebles in this chain 1 space. For treble we are going to yarn over hook 2 times, then going through 2 loops at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles. Then we make a chain 3. Another 4 treble. And we go to the corner and make 3 single crochet. Just like this one. Then we are going to make a slip stitch to the remaining stitches to come to the bottom. So we have the roof of the house and we have the sides. And we are going to now we made a slip stitch to the corner, then we are going to make a chain 3, then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, then we make a 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space, then we move to the corner, make 1, 2 double crochets, then chain 3, and we make a slip stitch to the corner space. Then since we started the slip stitching here, we got to make a slip stitch. Bring up a loop, then turn your work, go to the back of the work, grab that loop we did and bring it to the back. Now cut the yarn, draw the yarn tail through that loop and tighten. I can actually weave that end. I'm just using my crochet hook to bring it. Doing a little more here so it will be secured. I'm going to cut it closer. Just weaving the yarn tail.